Hi guys, it's Bethany. I have an unboxing for you. This is friend mail. So this was sent to me by my friend Siobhan, but I still wanted to unbox this for you because I'm pretty sure the things in here came from her shop, which I will link down in the description box below if you're interested in checking it out. So without further ado, let's get into this. So Siobhan sent me this package, and this was in a bubble mailer, and everything came just like this, and I can feel some weighty things. I'm pretty sure there's some Coverminders in there, and I can see some really cool stickers too. I haven't seen a package quite like this before. This is nice. This has a warning label on it to avoid, warning you that it's potentially dangerous for little kiddos, which is always important to remember with plastic packaging. Okay, there's a card. I always was taught to read the card first. It says, "Thank you." Aww. She had some really sweet things to say in this card that she sent me. I'm not going to read it, but I will say that in here she mentions that one of the Coverminders has a stone missing. So I'm not really worried about that because I'm pretty crafty. I can probably fix that. All these magnets, everything's sticking to each other. That's hilarious. Okay, so we have this pile of magnetic things. She sent me some candies and this really cute washi tape. I love the gold foiling on there. How fun. This reminds me of just little people standing out in the rain or at a concert, or even just maybe even raindrops. That's what it reminds me of. I'm not saying that's what it is. It's just a little design, but that's what it reminds me of. Okay, let's take a look at the stickers. This this says, "If you're bad, believe that I'm worse." A cute little owl. I love owls, so that's perfect. Girl power. Love. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. I like mermaids. That's so cute too. Okay. Oh, you guys, please forgive me. I haven't done an unboxing or any kind of a video really in a long time, so I'm trying to get back in the groove of it. Got to put family first, spending summertime with my kiddos. I'm a single mom, so that's what I got to do, Okay, so I have this cool little Coverminder wax. She has a few of these on her website, and I think they're really cool because even if that's so pretty. I think different color waxes are so fun. Anyways, what I was going to say was, even if, say, you have your own wax that you like, it's really cool that you can have just a pot with a Coverminder and you can stick your other wax or putty or whatever you want to use in there. But this color is really pretty, so I wanted to get a wax like that. And look, she sent it to me. Thank you, Siobhan. All right, which color should we go for first? Let's do this one because I think this is the one that doesn't have the jewel, and I'm really curious to see. Oh, yeah. Oh, this one fell off. I wonder if that's the one she was talking about, or this may... Oh, no, she was talking about a different one. Okay. So this I will re-glue. This, I'm going to see if I can't find something to fit on there. Isn't that pretty? Such a pretty Coverminder. I usually don't go for things this big. These are really strong magnets, guys. But, I love grays and blacks, and I just think that's really pretty. So yeah, I will definitely be working to fix that. I mean, I could even... My creative juices are flowing, guys. I'm thinking of even other things I could do with that. Like, if I wanted to get really fancy, I could put something else there that actually, dangles down or something. I don't know. We'll do something fun with that. So pretty. Thank you, Siobhan. Okay. Next up we have this one. Oh, cute! Oh my goodness, that's so cute. It's a pumpkin. Oh my goodness, these are super strong. And I think, see, I'm noticing it looks like there's another magnet there, and then these ones are on top. It is so strong, I tell you what. That is really pretty. I'm really looking forward to using this during the upcoming fall season. That is so pretty. That actually looks really good with that. I'm getting the Halloween vibes. I'm feeling it. All right. Oh, yes. I love this. I love this. I'm a steampunk kind of gal, and let me tell you, I love different metals, and I love owls, and so this is great. This is even neater in person than on her website. I'm not even kidding you. This is pretty. I love this. This is like my favorite. Okay. Next. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love it. Magnet on the back. These are really good quality magnets, you guys. These are not just like cheap magnets glued on stuff. These are really high quality. Siobhan does a really great job of making her Coverminders. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh, thank you, Siobhan. I feel so blessed. Like, I can't even tell you. How pretty is that? Oh my goodness. Magnets? Whoa, sorry. Oh, I love this. This looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's one more left. What will it be? Oh no. Oh no. Oh my. Okay. So, Siobhan and I have known each other since the Great Lakes retreat, and I don't think I've disclosed to her my fear of arachnids. Because this is a spider, and I don't even want to look at it. Oh my goodness. Okay, my daughter is going to want to steal this from me because she likes to torture me sometimes. And you know, the truth is, I have been working on this fear of creepy crawly things, and I'm a lot better about it than I used to be. But oh man. I mean, the fact that I'm holding this in my hand and I'm not flinging it across the room is actually quite a testament. And I know that sounds ridiculous, but you guys, I mean, those of you out there who have fears of things, like you understand what I'm talking about, whether it's rational or not. But anyways, this is actually really cool, even though it also really creeps me out. Look at that spider. This is actually really cool. Even if it creeps me out, it's really cool. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so isn't this pretty? It is really pretty, even though it's creepy. It's really pretty. Okay. I will take solace in the fact that it has a broken leg because that means that it's less creepy and less crawly. Oh my goodness. Anyways, thank you so much, Siobhan, for sending me this friend mail. I mean, this is a beautiful sentiment, and I really like these Coverminders. I really do. And she has some really pretty work. Like I said, if you guys are interested in purchasing some of these or seeing what she has, maybe getting some Coverminders of your own, check out her link in my description box below and see if she has anything there that you like. As for me, there is a ton of items in her shop that I love. Now, for me, diamond painting Coverminders are one of the things that I use the least. I usually do have a Coverminder or two on my canvas when I'm working, especially if I'm taking, a picture for Instagram or something, because it looks really cool. But Coverminders are usually the last thing that I think of to purchase if I'm spending money on this hobby. However, there are some really amazing ones out there, and Siobhan, I know for a fact, searches far and wide for the items that go into making her Coverminders, and I think she does a really good job, and she sends them out fast, and she adds a personal note, candies, washi tape. I mean, this wasn't a standard order, so I can't say for sure that this is what comes in an order from her, but I do know she's talked before, and I've seen other unboxings where there have been stickers, and she's told me that she does the note with everybody and the candies, and let me tell you, those are really special personal touches that not everybody puts into their packages when you order things from various sellers. It's small businesses like these that really care and show that they care that I love to support, and I hope that you will too. So I'm going to end on that note. Thank you for sticking around with me, even though I'm not consistent with my videos. With that being said, I also want to mention that because I don't post on a regular basis, if you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, you will be notified when I do post new videos. So that way, if my videos are something that you don't want to miss, because sometimes I don't post for a month like this most recent streak, then hitting that notification bell will keep you up to date. I hope you guys have a fabulous week. I will talk to you next time. Bye.